Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shweta Sinha Chaudhary. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a bed sheet. I have already created this one and now I'm going to show you how to create this. This is very easy. I'm going to show you a very easy method. So let's start and see that how we can create a bed sheet. Friends, if you like this video, please share and press the like button, and please share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do consider to subscribe my channel. So let's start. Let's see how to create a bed sheet. So to create a bed sheet, first I need to take a plane option and create a plane. The size of the plane should be bigger than the bed, so just move it, and I need to apply this plane to the cloth effect. So whenever you are using cloth effect, make sure that the object has been divided into many segments. So I need to divide it into say 100 segments length and 100 segments of width. So after dividing it into segments, apply shell effect to this plane and give 1 inches of thickness, and after this again go to the modifier list and take cloth option and apply cloth option. Now go to object property, select plane and apply cloth effect, and select any kind of fabric whichever you want. So I'm going for satin and I'm giving pressure say 3 and OK. Scroll down, make sure that the gravity option is turned off. I do not want gravity right now, so gravity should be off, and now click on this simulate local option. So just a minimum of fluffiness I want, so this much of fluffiness is okay. And the moment you see that the cloth has been due to the pressure that you have applied to the cloth has been puffed up, just turn off this simulate local option. And now again right click on this object and convert this object into editable poly. So once it has been converted, again go to modifier list and apply cloth. Go to object property, and this time you need to add object and select all the objects which are under this particular bed sheet. So I just need to see that what this is box 1, so let me rename this. So this is floor, then this one is bed, so I'm just renaming it so that it would be easy for me to select the object. And this is mattress. So the pillows are not coming under the bed sheet, so I'm not going to include those objects. So go to object, this cloth, and then go to object property, add object and select bed, add floor and mattress, add. Now you need to convert the bed, floor and mattress as collision object. So select mattress as well and apply collision object. So now if you are going, and you can find that bed has been converted into collision object, floor is collision object, mattress is collision object. This plane, select this plane and apply this cloth option, and again select any kind of fabric that you want. This time I do not want to have any pressure, so pressure will be 0, and then OK. This time I want to have gravity option to be turned on, so turn on this option and click on self collision, activate this option and put value 2 and make sure that this solid collision option is also activated. And now again go to simulate local. Now you can see that the bed sheet is falling down, so let it fall down on the floor so that it will give a nice bed sheet effect. Friends, if you like this video, please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do consider to subscribe my channel. So now you can see that bedsheet is falling on the floor and on the bed, so let it fall down completely. The time you feel that it has taken a proper look, just turn off the simulate local option. So let it fall down. So this is the kind of effect that I wanted to have. Now I would turn off this simulate local option. So you can see that this bedsheet has taken the effect of has taken the complete nice effect. So now I'm turning off this simulate local option. So bedsheet is ready. Let me give some texture to it. So this texture is already there, so I'm just going to apply this and let me apply UV effect. Take box option and just change the length and width. So this bedsheet is ready.